Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back and I apologize first of all. I know it's been a minute and I have not been around. I'm doing pretty good. I have decided today to spend a little time and do a video of an item that I have acquired since I'm back now, but I have not shown it that to you guys yet. So let's do it today. It comes in this beautiful orange box. This is a new old stock item. So basically an item I have acquired from a lady that has bought this for her partner, but it was never in use. And I had my eyes out for this particular bag. And when the opportunity arose, I said, why not jump on it? So inside is the duster, the bag, ribbon, and the other packaging, plus the original invoice. But let's go to the item at hand. Let me just get rid of the box. So here it is, new to me and new in general, the Louis Vuitton Dayton PM bag in graphite, dummy graphite canvas. So the bag is a across the shoulder style bag that features a front compartment with a zip and a larger main compartment. Still, this is quite a small bag, and I'll demonstrate this by showing you some comparison items to that. So here is the bag. This is your standard Louis Vuitton clay, so you have an idea of the size. And even better would be to show it off next to Agenda MM and graphite zippy organizer wallet in full size, and we will see what can fit in it. So in the front compartment, the small compartment here, I'm able potentially to put in the zippy wallet. Yeah, it went in there, and close it. The closure is double zipped. You can see here, and very smooth. So let me open it, take out the wallet. So my large zippy will go in there. How about the agenda? Let's try the Agenda MM. The Agenda MM is a tight fit, and most probably I would not be able to close. Let's try anyway. No, that would be too much. So it does go in there, but I'm not able to close. So I would need to use the main compartment for the agenda, and that would obviously work easily. As you can see. So the front compartment, really the best thing would be, although this large zippy goes in, the best would be to put in something like I have here, which is my card holder slash car key pouch. And I would use this as a wallet in combination with my iPhone 12 that I'm filming on here, 12 mini, plus my 6 key. So 6 key and this car key pouch would fit in the smaller main compartment, and if I put them side up like this, I could potentially squeeze into that also my clay. Yeah, and it's very easy to close. So the inside of this bag has one large compartment with two slip pockets, which I'll try to show you. Here's the little coated canvas textile paper. So one slip pocket here and the second one in the back. Both of them are the same size. So let's say I would use one of it to put in the zippy. It would go, but only this way like this. It wouldn't go like this, it's not wide enough. Now, let's see what else could fit into this bag. Obviously, this is my one blade case for my beard and mustache trimming, but let's say this would be also the same size as a sunglasses case, which obviously would fit in here easily. Couple of perfumes. Here are the Maison Margiela replica by the fireplace and music festival, very nice scents. And let's see what would fit and what would not fit. So here is a iPad 2020 12.9 with a case and a pen, and this thing would fit in here, but am I able to close it? That's the question. With a little wiggling around, yes, I'm able to close it. So this bag actually fits a 12.9 2020 iPad Pro with a little bit of wiggling with a case. Okay, I didn't close it on this side. Need to, if I push it a bit on the side here and squeeze it inside, it fits, but just barely, guys. I wouldn't force it. I think it might damage the zipper. So I would avoid carrying my 12.9 inch iPad in this bag. And also, honestly speaking, if I put this in this bag, nothing else would fit in here. So that's a no on the 12.9. Here is a MacBook Air 13 2019. Again, try to fit it in there. Just barely, but there is no way to close the bag because it is too tall. So also a MacBook Air will not fit in here. Now if you have a smaller 11 inch or a 12 inch, that would fit, and I know the 12 inch one fits because I have a 12 inch not at hand here, but I try to put it in this bag and it goes in this bag. So this bag is pretty small. It's very nice for around the town. A nice thing that it has is this piece here, which is full leather. And as I said, the dual zipper here, which is super smooth, which I really like a lot. It's nice LV logos. It's very, very beautiful. Then it has a non-detachable strap for the cross the shoulder. Let me try to put it quickly like this. Wear. The canvas on this bag is already one of these new canvases, which is very, very soft and very pliable, which I like a lot. So this is a nice grab and go bag and really a lot of functionality with it if you don't need a lot of space. When it comes to space, it is quite limited, but there is a larger version of this bag. I mean, it was available, which was the Dayton MM, I think, yeah. This one is the PM size, so it's quite smaller. I'll leave the dimensions in the description if you want to know. But anyway, if you have any questions about this new acquisition to me, do let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be more than glad to come back with my answers. For now, guys, hope you are safe and you're doing well. All the best and kind wishes, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Ciao. Bye.